There's your food, Paluto! Now you've got to promise to leave us alone! Junk! Why, that's the best fruit and vegetables on Coral! Suntops, don't eat coal!
Good work, Choo-Choo.
Every are coming! No, don't worry, Scaredy, I know.
Hello.
Ah!
No, it's absolutely fine. It's absolutely
I know what I'm doing. Yikes!
Uncle Boo!
Come on, old fella. Come on, old fella. They forget. Nine. Again.
Choo-Choo, why did you pick me to come along with you?
Because I want you, most of all, to finally appreciate good old number 9.
I mean, very reliable on steep hills. Maybe I should get off here. I can walk to the top.
Over there, quick!
Okay.
Nice kitty! Over there!
The tunnel.
Come on, number 9.
Over there, quick!
Okay. Oh, no.